As of October 24, the Philippines has received more than 97.6 million doses of COVID-19 vaccines. Marami na tayong supply ng bakuna sa awa ng Diyos. I urge LGUs to come up with a more systematic and efficient way of finding out who among your constituents have not yet vaccinated. Please do everything to convince them to get vaccinated. Actually, my experience as mayor, pag ang mayor sinabi niya gusto niya itong gawin, at talagang sabihin niya, he will impose his authority, gawin mo yan. Ginagawa talaga. Depende na lang sa, ewan ko, diskarte mo o your relations with. Kasi may mga barangay captains na kontrapartido, pag gano'n, yung iba naman kapartido mo. So the natural tendency of those on the opposite side will resist even in these matters na ganito. Kaya ako, sinasabi ko sa kanila, either you follow us or you have to answer to Secretary Anyo ng DILG. Siya yung nagsusupervise sa local governments. Ang mangyari niyan, talagang makakaroon ka ng kaso. And bear in mind that alam mo ang kaso, even administratively, you can be dismissed. It includes dismissals from office, suspension, ganon, forfeiture of pay, or outright dismissal.